Hi everyone, thanks for stopping back by to see what I am up to. And today I have my Ipsy Plus for May 2020. This box has been okay for me lately, not been wonderful, but I'm always happy to receive them and receive the products inside. And always says discover yourself, and I'll give you a little sneak peek, oops, as to what I'm seeing when I first open, which is always exciting. Let's see, we have a card. Add-ons, the ultimate Ipster deal. Get that glow, I guess, is the theme this month. Talk a little bit about add-ons. And this is what my inside looks like. Okay. Ipsy Plus is $25 a month. Free shipping. You get 5 full-size products, which I do believe we have. You get to customize one product in each box, whether it be the Plus, the Ultimate, or even the Glam bags. You get to choose one of your samples. Promise value of $120 plus. So let's grab this first, and this is from Sugar Rush from Tarte. This is the sister company, and this is a brush set, the A+ brush set. I think there's 3 brushes. Let's open this up and see. Nicely packaged. We did receive a Sugar Rush product, and I don't know in what box. Maybe the Boxy Premium, I think. There's like a lip balm. Very, very nice. Oh, these are cute. Now, these are all wrapped, so I'm going to leave them wrapped. So, do they tell you what they are? They all say the same thing on them. They do have sayings on them, but I can't see what that says on the top. It does tell you. So these 2 right here. So this is your, your shadow brush. This you can use to put product on your lid and like in the corner, and then this brush here you can use underneath. You could even use this on your actual eyelid. These are cute. They look like pencils. These are adorable. Let me see if the handles are wood or plastic. Let me see here. Yeah, these are plastic. Okay. Very, very nice. I'm happy to have them. I love brushes. So I have my phone right here. And I have, I'm going to look all these up since the card does not have anything on there. So they are $19 on the Tarte site. Then we have Beauty for Real. This is HiDef Volumizing Mascara. Right there. And this is this side. And this is in just black. Let's open this up without destroying it. I don't know if that's possible. Try. Okay. Trash the box, and I hate doing that, so I'll probably wind up keeping this one then. So this is the size of the mascara. Pretty, that's a pretty good size. I'm not going to open it because once you open it, it does introduce bacteria into the product, which we're not going to do. And Beauty for Real HiDef mascara, $19. We have a palette. Okay, and this is Mimosa Moment eyeshadow palette by Colored Raine. Right here on the back it says vegan, cruelty free, paraben free, gluten free. Okay, that's nice to know. Let's open this up. It's a nice little compact palette. I don't know what kind of palette it is. Packaging is just, little plastic packaging. Let's see if we can get this open. Oh, this is really nice. It does have a mirror. So, let's put my hand over it. So these are the shades. Very, very nice. I like that. Very neutral. 2 glitters. 1, 2, 3, 4 mattes. Very neutral palette. Dog is getting into everything. She got into something this morning that she should not have eaten, so I gotta keep an eye on her. So this is really cute. I'm excited to have that. I don't know if I'll keep it. I have so many palettes, and Right now I'm not wearing eyeshadow, so who knows if that'll wind up in a giveaway. So let me just look here. Colored Raine. Let's see, Mimosa. $22. Okay. Ooh, from Tarte, we have the Tarteist lip paint. Let's see if I can see the choker is the shade. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Ooh, this is a nice shade right here. Hold that up a little bit better so you can see it. I'm excited for that. This is more of a brown, which you can see right here. I'm not going to swatch it, but well, their product always smells so good. I probably will keep that because I like these tones, and then I put a lighter shade on top, so I'm not mad at that. And if this is a matte, which I will have to check, and usually the Tarte, let me just see, Tarte, okay, $20. Okay, that's a nice value. And then we have a product, Mudmasky, and this is Aftermask Vitamin Serum. This is a 30 ml package. Extra smoothing, anti-aging, feeding, protecting, and nourishing. Let's see if it has a safety seal. It does have a safety seal, which is always nice. So I'm not going to be opening that. I don't know how. Aftermask Vitamin Serum. Usually after a mask, you have all that extra serum on your face, so I don't know if I would use this or not. This is not a bad product to have. And let's see, the Mudmasky Aftermask Vitamin Serum, 30 ml. Is that what this is? 30 ml. $52.88. $53. Wow. I mean, it is a serum, and that's a good size bottle. So I'm not angry at that. Wow, that's a lot of money. Let's get these brushes back in here. I don't know why they did not send a card with prices and a little bit of a description. That usually helps. And then this is the bag and the plus. This is like an ombre blue, like a greenish and a yellow. Let's see with this. Oh, nice little tassel. Nice little bright yellow tassel. And then the inside is like that. So it has like little silver flecks, and then the Ipsy tag. This is a cute little bag. This is a smaller one than they usually send in the Ipsy Plus. Usually the Plus is a little bit bigger, but this almost looks like a glam bag, a regular glam bag sized bag. So I like this one. Usually I'm a little disappointed in the Plus boxes, but I'm not this month. Brushes, a mascara, a lip product, and then this I'm not real sure on. So that's 1, 2, 3, right? 3, 4, 6. Oh, and then the palette. I was covering it with my phone. And then the palette. So I am loving this box, actually. And I really do think this is cute. Sometimes these tassels get on my nerves, but this is a cute bag to throw in your handbag. Even if you just kept, you know, like your lip balms, your chapsticks, and a few, you know, lip products, or you know, you don't have to fill it with makeup. Sometimes I use these just to store other small things in my handbag. This way they're not loose, but these are cute. This is a really cute bag. I've been sharing a lot of my bags in my giveaways just because I can't possibly use them all. But this one's really cute. I do like that one. So tell me what you think of this Ipsy Plus. I think this was a great box this month. So thank you, Ipsy. I'm very, very impressed with this box. So that is everything for this video. I hope you all enjoyed. I hope everyone is doing well. And as always, I hope to see all of you in my next video. Bye-bye now.